Hello everyone. Do you know Rumble?
No, what is Rumble?
Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload videos, build an audience, and earn money.
Is it similar to YouTube?
Yes! Rumble allows users to watch, upload, and share videos with people around the world.
That sounds interesting.
Wow! Rumble offers several benefits for creators.
Like what?
You can upload videos for free, reach a global audience, and apply for monetization if your content meets the platform requirements.
How do creators earn money on Rumble?
Creators can earn revenue from monetized content through advertising and other opportunities available on the platform.
So the more quality content you create, the more opportunities you may have?
Exactly. Yes, exactly, bro.
How can I get started?
Go to YouTube channel called Murikimpano TV. In this video description below, you can see the link of Rumble. Click now to the link, then go to rumble.com, create an account, upload your video, and start building your audience.
Thank you very much. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to Murikimpano TV, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching. Murikimpano TV.